Hey, welcome back, Sneakerheads. How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get started, go on and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Come
And if you
on.
haven't done so already, go on and check out those back to school giveaways. Don't forget to comment your size and make sure that you're commenting on the right video. We have a kids, females, and males. So make sure you're commenting on the right video. So we got to start off with this weekly heat. Right now, it looks like we only have one shoe coming out.
Yeah, hey, that one shoe is that UNC, J1. Hey, I know you hit that shot drop. I
Yes,
know
sir.
you hit it. Hey, I know you got him. I know you
Bam!
got him. Uh-oh.
Came in
Uh-oh.
yesterday.
Uh-oh.
I'll do a quick unboxing with y'all.
Yes, sir. Drum roll.
Now you
Yes.
see that UNC blue.
Ooh.
That UNC blue.
Ooh. Ooh. Yes,
Hey,
sir.
you'll see them before me. You'll see
Mm.
them before me. We'll do this is just a quick show and tell. Bam!
Sneak peek. Sneak peek.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We're, we're going, but we'll go into a more detailed video at a later time. Yes, sir.
Mm. Smell like money.
Oh man, Jordan 1 smells so good.
Yes,
Hey, this
sir.
might this so this will be my second Jordan 1 if I get my size. Like I was telling you, I do collect the UNC colorways. I keep saying I don't have no ones, but I do have one Jordan 1. And I'm hoping this will be my second one. This is UNC toe.
Yes, sir.
These are set to release next week. This is a grade school pair, and they're also coming out with men's pair. They're set to release on July 22nd with a retail price of $180. The little kids pairs are $85. And then we do have these, which are $140. Again, we'll go into full detail of it. Right now, I'm just giving you a quick sneak peek.
Yes, sir.
Stay
Hey.
tuned for that.
Yes, sir. Hey, I can't wait to cop those. I will be rocking those. But if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say it for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless other. Peace.